Okay guys, hi and welcome back to the Bench and Kelly. So today we're going to take a look at NASCAR's Next Gen Joey Logano's 2002 championship winner. So this is a model kit from JR Salvino Models. They're a company in the US and they're making next gen NASCARs. So we're going to take a look what's in the box, and we're also going to take a look at the old NASCAR kits and compare, see which ones, see where the difference is. So let's crack this puppy open. This is one of their new releases that just came out. You've probably already seen it in their videos. As for me, this is going to be my first next gen racing car. Already you can see we got a nice yellow package sprue. Car itself looks pretty good. Very yellow. You can see right through the vents in there. We got a poker, so yep, there we go. A lot more detail in these ones than the old ones, you can tell right away. Got a nice raised back here. This is the Ford Mustang. And right away you can see NASCAR JR Salvino Models, trademark, designed by Jim Rogers. Anywho, we're just taking a look at this and let's see what's the difference between this new ones and the old ones. Okay. Alrighty, you get a nice cool package. Sprued in different color, black, white, gray, and yellow. 4 rubber tires. We'll take a quick look at those. See if there's any markings on them. Nope, no markings. Quite the seam line you gotta clean up though. Right in the middle and on the side. Not very good for a new kit, so oh well. So yeah, not too happy with seeing that. So move this over. Oh yep, we got one clear package. Right now, we'll take a look at the first yellow sprue, the hood, radiator things. You got the fan coolant there, some brush guard. But anyways, looking at the hood here, you got some nice detail. Oh, stabbing me. What the heck? Underneath looks good. No injector pin marks like the old ones. So that's some pretty good molding. I'm liking this already. But again, the tires, I'm not too happy with the tires. As you can tell, they're still molded the same way throughout all these years. So we got two black parts. At the bottom of the frame, hood, tire rims. Ooh, you got a nice separate net, driver's net, drive shaft, pedals, radiator, yep, radiator. Pretty cool. Beautiful fenders with these things. Nice. So it's the first black sprue. Here's another one. I don't know if it's supposed to sit like that, but it looks a little warped to me, so. But taking a look at it, you got a nice big driver's seat. His little head cushion goes on top. Couple pieces broke off the sprue here, so yeah. Yeah, she's definitely warped. But I hear there's some of them come up like that, but once you put them together, they kind of straighten out, so we'll see. If not, I'll be sending this kit back right away. Sprue number 3, the white one. So we got some body frames that look like it. Yeah. Fuse cell right there. Again, I don't know nothing about these new gen model kits, so must be a back firewall there, I'm not sure. But other than that, sprues look good, solid. Again, another piece fell off the sprue. Doesn't look damaged or anything, so that's pretty good. Part of the roll cage. They're not round, they're kind of like squared. Doors here. This one has the 1, 2, 3, 4 bar roll. That's right. I know that part. Double fire extinguisher, yes. Good. Other than that, she's looking really good. A lot of sink marks here on the doors, so don't know if it's supposed to look like that, but I don't think so. Oh, you're not going to see it anyways. And 2 gray sprues. This one has the motor parts. UJS bumper, rear bumper, disc, driver, steering, driving. This looks broken. I don't know if it's broken or not. Kind of looks like something broke off right there, so where my thumb is. So I don't know. We'll see when I get to it. The exhaust pipes need to be cleaned. Something's missing here, so don't ask me what's missing there. And here. But other than that, transmission, motor, some pulleys. Everything looks pretty good on here. Next one. Part of the motor, Y-clamp, suspension, plumbing, some more bracings. Can't wait to get this thing put together. Other than that, looks good. So anyways, besides having a bunch of new molded parts compared to the old ones, a bunch of new molded parts, new molded parts. Like all this I'm pointing at is all brand new compared to the old ones. So we're going to move all this aside and then we'll compare parts. So we're going to look at this one next. This is an old AMT Ertl one, 80s NASCAR. Oh, this one's 97, car 97. But let's take a look. Comes in a package all bundled up. Again, you can see right away what's different. I'll pull this out. It'll be hard to mix these up because got all white sprue and then, yeah. So, as you can tell right away, new kit, old kit, all together, roughly the same size. These older kits usually come with a little extra spare part you gotta add here so you fit underneath. But other than that, there's the body frames, there's the older kits. Frickin' night and day, eh? You got a flat body piece, and then here you got a nice open underneath frame. So there's the difference between the new and an old for that part. What else? Here's another piece right here. We got well, this one has the 1, 2, 3, 4 roll cage. And this one has the, where is it? Where is the door? Door is right here. Okay. And again, night and day between parts. Here's the new one. It's covered in a nice plate. Old one, you had the see-through roll cage, 4 bar. Same thing, covered plate, 4 bar, so this is right. Roll cage suspension arms are both basically the same. These ones are round. Some of this is squared, so yeah, little differences there. And let's look at the motors. Alrighty. Motor parts. Okay, there's going to be a night and day difference here, of course, because old versus new, so. Other than that, you got same assembly process. You're getting a lot more suspension and detail for the front end, rear end. See, nice frame springs. Old spring compared to new springs here, as you can see. I'll zoom you in for that. See, night and day, look at that. Like, wow, that compared to that. And the engine's very well detailed. Compared to that. Yeah, there's a really big difference in the new and the old. It's pretty cool how far we come. Yeah. So, we'll be taking a look at the... That was a quick look at the new Joey Logano 2002 championship winner NASCAR Cup Series next gen vehicles. Supposedly made to be a lot safer, who knows. You're going 250 miles an hour, you're still going to get into a wreck. So, anyways, thanks for coming.